Can non-residents of Florida shoot pythons in the state?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting question. Can non-residents of Florida shoot pythons in the state? If you've been curious about this, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in.
Understanding the python problem in Florida.
Before we delve into the question, let's first understand the python problem in Florida. The state of Florida is home to an invasive species known as the Burmese python. These pythons, native to Southeast Asia, were introduced to the Florida Everglades and have rapidly multiplied, causing significant ecological damage to the native wildlife.
Python removal efforts.
In order to address the python problem, the state of Florida has implemented various initiatives to remove these invasive snakes from the wild. These efforts include organized python hunts and licensed python removal agents. The goal is to control the population and protect the native species.
Python removal rules for non-residents.
Now, let's get to the main question. Can non-residents of Florida shoot pythons in the state? The short answer is yes. Non-residents are allowed to participate in python removal activities in Florida, including shooting pythons, under certain conditions. Non-residents who wish to participate in python removal must obtain a valid python removal permit. This permit is required for anyone who wants to hunt or capture pythons in the state, regardless of their residency status. So, if you're a non-resident and want to get involved in python removal efforts, make sure to apply for the necessary permit.
Obtaining a python removal permit.
To obtain a python removal permit, non-residents need to follow the same process as residents. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, FWC, is responsible for issuing these permits. You can visit their website or contact their office for detailed information on how to apply and what requirements you need to meet. It's worth noting that the FWC may have specific regulations and restrictions in place, such as training or educational requirements, to ensure the safety and effectiveness of python removal activities. Make sure to familiarize yourself with these guidelines before applying for a permit. And that's a wrap. We've answered the question, can non-residents of Florida shoot pythons in the state? Remember, non-residents can participate in python removal efforts, including shooting pythons, by obtaining a valid python removal permit. If you're interested in joining the fight against these invasive snakes, make sure to check the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission's website for more information. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with the information you were looking for. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.